Familiarize yourself with the 2017 Chevrolet Malibu. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 80,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a tachometer, remote keyless entry, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.